Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which actually converts a text file into PDF document. So if you have a bunch of text inside a TXT file, something like this. So I have this file here. I will be converting this file to a PDF document using this Python open source library FPDF. So if I execute this script right here, just let me just execute this. I say python app.py. So just see on the, it is saying that the module is not. So first of all you need to install this module. So pip install fpdf. So it will install this, and then if I execute the script, so here you just need to replace the file name. So the file name is file.txt. So I will just replace this and execute the script. You will see it will create the PDF saved as. So if I open this now, you will see that the PDF has been successfully inserted successfully with full formatting. You will see multiple lines are there. So let me just open it in the browser. So your text file has been successfully converted to PDF document. You will see that we have that bunch of text inside this txt file like this, and we converted this to PDF. So for uh, making this application, we are using this library FPDF, which is a very popular PHP PDF processing library, but you can even use it inside Python as well. So this is its official website, FPDF library. So for this you just need to install the Python module for this. So just search for this module fpdf. So this is the command here, pip install fpdf. So I have to simply install this. I have given all the script in the description of the video. So let me just show you the script here step by step how to do this. So first of all, just create a simple Python file and just import this fpdf. From this we need to import this class fpdf, and then we just need to initialize this fpdf library like this. After that we just need to set some options. But first of all, you have a bunch of methods right here. You will see you can set meta properties regarding your PDF document. So one such method is set margins. You can set the margin of the PDF document. The left margin you can set, the top margin, all the four sides you can set the margin right here. After setting the margin, we can simply add a new page. For adding the new page, we have this method which is add underscore page. So this will add a new page in the PDF document. After adding a blank page, now we can simply insert the text. Before that, we can set the font here. We can even set a custom font as well. Let's suppose you just need to provide the name of the font, which is Arial, and then the size of the font you can even control it. Let's suppose I say 20, and after that we read all the data which is there inside the file.txt. So this file is present in the same directory, so we are reading this file in the read mode. So inside read mode, and here we just need to provide the encoding, which will be your UTF-8, and then we just say as f, and then we simply read the file f dot the read function. So it will read all the text which is present in the txt file and store it inside your text variable. After that, we contains this function here which is multi cell. It will add the text in the PDF document. You just need to provide the x coordinate and the y coordinate, and actually the text txt and whatever is the text, and then you just need to provide the alignment. So J is the alignment. After that, we simply save the PDF file by using this output method, and here you just provide the output PDF file name. That's all. So this is the overall script right here. If I Again execute this, you will see it will first of all read the, let me say python app.py. So you will see it will create this result.pdf file, and if I try to open this, you will see now it has successfully split it across multiple pages depending upon the length of the text. Here you will see as the text was larger, you will see it has splitted the text into multiple pages, so now it contains 2 pages. So in this easy way you can create text, you can create PDF document directly from the txt file using this package FPDF inside Python. You can adjust the font size. Let's suppose I change the text size to 40. So now you will see the text size will look like this. So you can adjust the size here of the text. I think 15 looks good. So if you need the full source code, the link is given in the description. So in this way you can make the PDF document using the text file. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.